Hi everyone. Today we're going to work on lesson 4-5. We are going to use related addition facts to check the difference in subtraction facts. Jamel picks 9 apples. He gives 5 apples away. How many apples does Jamel have left? So the first thing we're going to do is subtract to find the answer. 9 minus 5 equals 4. So here we have whole, part. When you are using addition to check your answer, you are simply going to just flip the equation over and make it part, whole. So 4 plus 5 equals 9. This just shows us that addition and subtraction are related. You can use related addition facts to check any difference. So let's look at number 1 together. 6 minus 2. So we're going to use our dots. I drew 6 dots. It tells me that I have to take 2 away. 1, 2. That leaves me with 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 is my missing part. All right, when we look at number 1, we know that in subtraction, this is whole, part. When we flip it to addition, it becomes part, whole. Your 2 parts, 4 plus 2, add together to become the whole 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 2, 5, 6. Number 2, 8 minus 4. So we're going to draw 8. Take away 4. And that leaves me with 4. Again, we have whole, part. That flips around to part, whole. So 4 and 4 are my 2 parts that when added together make 8. Also, students, remember that when you're using related facts, you only have 3 numbers to work with. So those 3 numbers should also be here. When you're working with a subtraction fact, the whole is always going to be first. When you're working with an addition fact, the whole is always going to be at the bottom. Let's flip it over and look at numbers 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so the first thing I want you to do is subtract to find these answers. Okay, so 10 minus 3. So if I have 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and I take away 3, my answer is 7. Okay. 8 minus 5. So if I draw 8, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, take away 5, 3 is my answer. 10 minus 9, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Take away 9, 1 is my answer. Remember to keep your little circles small so you can fit them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Take away 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Leaves me with 3. All right, so now I need to match them to the related addition facts. So A tells me that I have 6 in the equation. Well, number 3 doesn't have 6. Number 4 doesn't have 6. Number 5 doesn't have 6. But number 6 tells me 9 minus 6 equals 3. So I know that those are going to match. Now I just have to flip this subtraction sentence into an addition sentence. So I know that my whole goes in the back, and then my 2 parts, 6 and 3. All right, B has a 9 in it. So I see that 3 and 4 do not have a 9, but 5 has a 9. I know that my whole becomes the sum, and my two parts are 9 and 1. All right, C has a 5 in it. 3 doesn't have a 5 in it. 4 has a 5. So we're going to match them. My whole becomes the sum. My two parts are 5 and 3. So 5 and 3. All right, so that leaves me with the last one matching up like this. See, I have the 3 and the 3. The whole becomes the sum. 3 and 7, 3 and 7. Number 7, Max sees 10 frogs. Some frogs are large and 4 are small. How many large frogs does Max see? All right, so he sees 10 frogs, and some are large, but 4 are small. He wants to know how many large ones. So 10 minus 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Minus 4 leaves me with 6. Now I'm going to flip that into an addition equation. So my whole becomes the sum, and I have my two parts. So he sees 6 large frogs. All right, number 8. Travis has 9 grapes for a snack. He eats 3 grapes. Avery says Travis has 5 grapes left. Is Avery right? Okay, so 9 grapes for a snack. He eats 3. So Avery says that Travis only has 5 left. Well, let's check her out and see. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Take away 3. And that leaves us with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So Avery is not right. All right, guys, there's one more worksheet for you to do on your own. Good luck.